Yawning spreads because your brain mirrors states before you notice them. When you see someone yawn, motor and social circuits activate as if you were preparing the same action, even without conscious intent. This automatic matching is driven by mirror neuron systems that evolve to align group behavior and internal states. Yawning itself regulates brain temperature and alertness, so copying it helps synchronize arousal levels across people nearby. That is why contagion is stronger between familiar individuals, because shared context increases the brain's confidence in the signal. The urge does not come from imitation, it comes from alignment, where the nervous system updates its state based on others. What feels like a personal reflex is actually a social calibration mechanism running below awareness. Yawning spreads because the brain prioritizes group synchrony over individual control. And once alignment is triggered, the action follows naturally.